When we went to the boat show, we were not specifically looking to buy a boat. When she saw this boat, she was totally impressed with the layout.
You have a really nice galley. The layout is wonderful. And it's homey. It looks really nice, you know. I love it.
One of the primary reasons that we purchased this boat just looked very comfortable to her, and it is.
This is for him, perfect. And for me, when I saw the galley, I was sold. As a woman, when I cross an ocean, I need to be able to cook 3 meals per day, which means I make bread every day. And I cross the Pacific with my 2 teenagers, so they eat a lot, like you know. So what I appreciate very much is my gas stove right there. And I can make my bread. I even have a dishwasher, which I thought would not be something I use, but it came with a boat. And actually you use less water with a dishwasher than if you would do your dishes by hand. So I say, oh, good. David use the dishwasher. So I really like that. I really enjoy the full fridge because I had 4 boats before this one. And I remember digging in there to try to find my meal for, which of course was at the bottom. Or here you have a full fridge and freezer that you open, you know, it's like a regular fridge from home, thanks to the solar panel. So I love that.
I had an older Outremer, which was more rustic, if you will, basic accommodations.
So it's our 4th catamaran. We began with a 42, then we had 250, and this is another 50. But this is a big 50. It has a lot of room on it.
She indicated that if we purchased this boat, she would enjoy spending more time on the boat.
And then the fact that it's open to the outside, because we are not, you know, fall weather sailor. We like the tropic or the ocean, the Pacific Ocean. And it's very nice to have everything open like that.
She still will fly in and meet me as opposed to crossing oceans. But when she does fly in, she's able to stay longer because it is comfortable.
And it's a beautiful boat. Very nice. He wanted a boat that make at least 200 miles a day, at least. So a performance boat. I could not make him. I like the lagoon, but no, didn't want me.
But after speaking with Ben and, you know, talking about the performance aspects, I kind of got on board along with her.
My husband, so he did the Arc Plus. They had a wonderful crossing. It was really nice.
And our first race was 860 miles or so from Canaries to Cape Verde.
It's very nice to sail, very nice. And there were a little bit of competition, I have to say, you know.
On the second leg, the one across the Atlantic, we would basically put our spinnaker up during the day and we would pass some boat. And then at night, we would put it down and we would just have the Geno up. No main, really not trying hard. And we were sleeping really good. We were ready for any conditions at that point. And then the boats would pass us. And then the next morning, we'd put the spinnaker back up and we'd pass the boats back again.
So they were excited to kind of race a little bit.
And I learned that the boat that I purchased was capable of being at the front of the pack.
It was great. And then now we're going to cross the Pacific and enjoy our retirement. We're almost there.
A lot of times there's one partner that wants to do it and the other partner that is willing to do it because they love their partner. It's not necessarily always an equal need or want.
We looked at a lot of boats and that was the one that I liked both of those things. So we liked it.
In this particular case, a more comfortable platform sure helped.
We were both on the same boat, I would say.